Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Volvo XC90 versus the XC60 versus the XC40. We will explore their key differences in size, performance, and features to help you decide which SUV best fits your lifestyle. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed purchase. Let's dive into the specifics of each model right away. When it comes to size, the XC90 is the largest, offering 3 rows and seating for 7, making it ideal for bigger families. The XC60 is a midsize SUV with 2 rows, comfortably seating 5, and provides a good balance of passenger and cargo room. The XC40 is the most compact, also seating 5, but with less overall interior and cargo space, perfect for city dwellers. Performance varies across the lineup. The XC90 often features more powerful engine options, including a robust plug-in hybrid delivering 455 horsepower, suitable for its larger size. The XC60 offers a great blend of power and efficiency, also with a 455 horsepower plug-in hybrid option. The XC40, being smaller, focuses on nimble handling and efficient urban driving, with both gasoline and fully electric variants available. Ultimately, your choice depends on your needs and budget. The XC40 is an excellent entry into the luxury compact SUV segment, offering great value. The XC60 provides a fantastic balance of size, luxury, and performance for many families. The XC90 is the premium choice for those needing maximum space and features. Remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Whichever you choose, Volvo delivers on safety and Scandinavian design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.